Yeah, people, welcome back to the channel. I don't really have find the ends now. I'm gonna chop up some porridge. What kind of porridge you are doing now?
Yeah, man, tonight we are doing some plantain porridge. Some plantain porridge with some oats, you see me? Rasta oats. And some green plantain. You see me? And them way I use still, but a green plantain way I use.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so this right now I coconut. Make milk, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Wash them off, make sure them clean, and then we have a grater them. With the grater.
Grater, yeah.
Grater it to make coconut milk, you see me? And we have make some ripe banana pancake too. Yeah, so we'll stay tuned for that one there. That one is gonna hot tonight.
Yeah. See the people? Fire go on steam up, is it? Yeah, pot on fire, see I'm gonna show them what I go on. See there? Some cinnamon leaf in a pot there. Everything set, so stay tuned, you know? Yeah, man. Now what I'm going to know, Sharks? You can put this pan now.
Understand?
This one. How long, sir?
Oh, like slant yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I'm slant it so I can, you know.
Yeah, man, so there people, find the ends there now. Go and chop up something. Some real oats porridge, you know? Yeah, man, so now see what I go on now. So them man are really chef, you know, man, so if anything them want to touch, have to taste nice, yeah, man? Goal. Yeah. So, I go and do it, man, is it? Stay right there, so you can see what I go on. So you're doing now.
Alright, so right now we use the same container for grater for plantain to prepare plantain. So we just transfer coconut from the base layer to a little smaller container. And we'll get to the plantain right now. Alright, see it, I see. This is now plantain are full with latex. This is stain where I come from it. So you see, in order for you to get it all over your clothes, you just hold it down close to the floor as possible. That way there, no stain not too flash all about and get the clothes and stained up, you know. Yeah, man. It's a one down.
Alright, it's no people.
That's it, I grate up this now. And we're ready up to stick off it, the porridge. Put the ingredients in the pot, you see me? Alright, these are now. This is good for composting. And watch a little picture here now. This is a little compost bag. So all kitchen scraps like that, we keep them for composting, you see me? So
yeah, man, right here, send the people. You see it?
alright, so initially we want to get the plantain in our pot while the pot before it even start boil properly. As it heats enough where you can see steam come out of the pot, you can add in a plantain, and the reason being you're going to want to stir in the plantain properly so that the heat gets distributed in our pot well enough. And that way that you avoid getting any lumps in your porridge, you know. Yeah, man, so as soon as you drop it in a pot now, take the one seed down, going for the next one now, you know. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's great. And then we are going to now add this to the pot. Alright, so now I go. Alright, so now this is not the correct tool. This is a spatula, I know, but this is what we're gonna use for stirring the plantain right now and distribute it all evenly across the high pot, you know. So this part take a few minutes. You have to continually stir it in for a few minutes so that you know get that smooth consistency throughout, you know. Come on. Then after this now we are gonna add our oats. See it, so just stay tuned. Pop on its way, you know. Start smell delicious already and we just put in all the plantain. Trouble did there, you know, Ackeem.
Trouble there, man. Trouble there. Trouble there, you know. Yeah. See the color everything chipping. That's what I go on people, is it?
Alright, so the next step now, we're going to juice our coconut. So we have a coconut milk. And we're going to give the porridge a beautiful cream color and also very flavorful coconutty flavor as well. So now what I'll do to this now, I'll add some water. Now also you could use warm water. For some persons they have the idea that helps to extract the milk better, you know, so making it more potent. But we are going to shorten route. Just add some water to it. Alright, and then we are going to squeeze it like this. Get out the coconut milk, you know. Alright. So after you juice it now, you get out the milk, then you are going to strain it. You know, sieve it or strain it, that way you get out all of the coconut. This would now be a debris, because you know not much more uses that we'd want it for in terms of making porridge now. But probably this surely it will be going in the compost as well. Yeah, man, so basically this is how you would make the coconut oil. Sorry, not the coconut oil. Well, this is how you would make coconut oil as well, but we're not doing that now. We're making milk, coconut milk to put in the porridge. So
it's okay. Come on. So this is like coconut juice now?
Yeah, man, this is like coconut juice.
Well strained out, you know?
Well strained out.
Ready?
Ready to use. Now porridge. Well, I will see if look like this for using our pancake as well, you know. We miss no main ingredient to make a pancake, but given that more show what that look like, we still have to do it without that ingredient there. And hopefully, I hope it turns out just right, you know. So stay tuned. Coconut milk down. Rolling. Alright, so this one now, a ripe banana. Main ingredient for banana pancake. The next main ingredient we mentioned earlier what we have missed, we actually needed a one egg. One egg would make it be perfect in terms of the consistency in binding, holding together. But since we don't have no egg,
so this is a pancake.
Yeah, man, this is a pancake now.
Right, different from the porridge.
Different from the porridge. Different from ripe banana fritters.
Right.
Yeah, we soon get to that.
Yeah, man, so.
Remember that porridge are plantain and oat.
Fine.
So add little sugar. Now if you want you could actually measure the sugar, but as a Jamaican, you know, we normally go a lot of a judgment in our kitchen more than we go with measurement, you know. So you might not see a measuring cup or anything like that. We just use some judgment.
Come on. That is our judgment never miss neither too.
Nah, miss.
Mix him out.
Yeah, man. So we actually add the sugar with the banana, given that sugar is considered as a wet ingredient, given that it will dissolve when water is added to it. So alright. So now drop look on the flour and some cornmeal. Right? And then now we need a little baking powder. So the baking powder is important to ensure so it gets a little fluff, you know. This is baking soda actually. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that.
I remember people just a few pancake, right?
Yeah man, I pancake this way I do it, man.
Yeah.
And if I had eggs, then I would have put the egg along with the banana and the sugar, given that it's a wet ingredient as well. And yes, you can thank the curfew for not having egg, because shop lock, people are afraid the police will come lock down them things, so shop lockdown, we couldn't get any eggs. Alright, so now we are going to combine the wet ingredient with the dry ingredient. And I'm going to use a bit of coconut milk as well. And you might be wondering why I did not do that along with the wet ingredient. The reason being, I want to ensure I have a certain consistency in terms of how liquid it is. And as such, I'll wait. I'll mix this first. And then after, I will add my coconut milk. Alright, so we did not want to add the coconut milk first, and then we end up having too much of a soft mixture, too much running, because that would be a challenge when we are ready to put it in the pan for it to be fluffed, you know. Alright, this texture now would be perfect if you were actually making like banana bread. That texture would be good for some banana bread. Coconut milk. I've added the coconut milk, and now we're going to get this combined properly. After, I will add some nutmeg. That's just for flavor. And then after, I can always start to prepare these by frying. Some delicious banana pancake to go along with some very delicious plantain oats porridge as well. Now this texture, as you can see, it is too thick, so we'll add a little more coconut milk, and I'll show you what it is like when that is added and finished. We're going to add our coconut milk. Alright. Now we just stir this in now. Well, as you can see, that beautiful consistency in terms of the thickness and the color as well. Alright, so the next step now is to add our flavor. So we're going to add some nutmeg, as I mentioned earlier, and then we're going to sweeten up. Alright, we're just going to give the coconut milk a few minutes for it to get cooked, and then we can always finish up this porridge. Alright, so the nice part. For this you need low flame. The lowest flame that you can possibly get. Wrong flame now. Right. So that flame look low. We have look oil. Just want to make sure so the pan is greased well enough. Alright. And pancake is on, you know. Alright, so spice time. We have enough on egg. Alright, so too much, you know, I put too much of this, your porridge might get bitter. I'm going to talk off my experience because it happened to me already. And the porridge you get bitter, so yeah, the pancake come together very nice. The first one, I accidentally taste the first one and it finished. So it is so nice. I could help myself but for eat off all our first one. Taste could be better if you want a little more salt, the pancake, but good so far. Once the porridge up on the warm stretcher now, you know. So those are the last milk, the flavor as well. And then final thing I got is just little sugar. I guess I know people, the porridge don't cook long before the pancake then make. I don't know that I go. Alright. So, as an indication, what you use to know when it's ready to be flipped, you see those bubbles? There will be more occurring on the edges, but once you see those bubbles get into the center, then you know that your pancake, it is cooked through on one side, and then it's time to flip it. Now you can notice that it is coming closer to the middle, so this will be ready to be flipped shortly, real soon. Alright, so this is what the underside would look like. As you can see, it is ready to be flipped, and to flip it, you just flip it. Right, so yeah man, looks beautiful, right? Nice golden brown color. Yeah man, we'll get there, you know. Alright, so you know we reach our one point now. We're in Jamaica. The term we would use I say how the boat land. Can you imagine one boat land? That is Jamaica people. The boat not dock, boat land. So here we are going. Well, sweeten it up. Drop in some brown sugar. Alright. We'll mix that in properly. And we'll do all of this while the heat is still on. That way it helps to dissolve the sugar a bit faster. Alright, so I haven't tasted it as yet. I'm sure I'll need just a little more sugar. But I'm just going to let that sugar simmer in a little. Then after I'll turn this off and voila, it will be finished. Beautiful, huh? Trouble be there now, man. Jesus, please. Look nice already. And I'm never taste it yet and it does look delicious.
Trouble there, no?
Trouble be there, man.
Solid, no?
Alright, so I'm not even sure if this is done. Looks like it is done. So I'm going to do a little cook test, you know. Right, so can be done a little better. It's good. It's good considering, you know.
Is it bad?
Come on, it's not well done, but it is delicious. Look, see? Now you can see the part that I flipped last still need to be done properly, but it's still delicious. That one is not going back in the pot. I can tell you that.
Yes, right now, the pancake, yeah. Go and taste some right now. Bad man. Bad man, is it?
Yeah, man.
You see the man with taste? No, make a but still,
Raggy there.
mm,
Wait, think. Wait, think though. What's taste there?
bad man.
Alright, so Patland now. And we are Boatland, Patland, whichever way. And now we are getting on it.
No wait.
Yeah, man.
Eat
See
this,
that?
you know?
But if you look on that, you just see delicious mark all over it.
Yeah,
Delicious.
delicious, you know?